Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We're making crispy hot wings today, guys. Let's jump right on in. So I've got some party wings here, which I've already gone ahead and cleaned prior to recording. And I cleaned my wings with just some vinegar and hot water and lemon and rub that on down. And then you'll see me here, there's adding on Lowry. Now keep in mind, guys, Lowry seasoned salt is pretty salty, so season this to taste. And just keep in mind your preferences when you're cooking. That's the best way to achieve the taste that you're looking for. Alrighty, so then I'm just adding some black pepper here to the mix. And I'll follow that up with some granulated garlic. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some chipotle. That's that little kick, that little flavor in the back that you're like, what is that? It's the chipotle. It's the chipotle. And then I'm going to follow up the chipotle with some cayenne pepper because we are all about spice over here. I don't know if you've ever watched another video on this channel, but we love spice. All right, if you don't, then you would just tone that down. Leave the cayenne pepper out, or maybe not add as much as I like to add. But again, this is preference based, okay? Cooking is to your taste. So I mix that up in my little bowl there, and then you'll see I'm just going to add this directly to some flour, which I've also gone ahead and added a couple seasonings to. And those seasonings are the same ones that I seasoned the chicken with. I just want to reinforce that. And I'm just going to shake this up. Again, keep in mind, guys, this is not my method for just making, plain old fried chicken. But for crispy hot wings, this is my method of taking it directly from seasoned chicken, directly to the flour, coating it, and then we'll fry that in a bit. Ready? Here you'll see I just gone ahead and I've added half a stick of butter. I used unsalted butter here because there is salt in so many other parts of this dish. So we don't need the salt here in our butter. So I'm just going to go ahead and melt half a stick of butter here. And then I'm going to add in hot sauce directly to this pan and let that combine for about 2 to 3 minutes while I go ahead and move back over to frying my wings. All right, put that on a low flame and just let that really come together. So you see here I'm adding about 15 wings to my fryer basket, and then I'm just going to go ahead and lower those into the oil and let those begin to do their thing. And down they go. And we're just going to let those fry for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, so now you'll see I have gone over and grabbed my sauce off the stove, and I'm just putting that into a large bowl in preparation to put those wings directly from the fryer into our sauce and get coated up really nicely. So we're pulling those wings right up out the fryer. You see that golden brown on there? Do you see the crisp? I see the crisp. I know you see the crisp. If you don't, you can taste this. I want you guys to go ahead and try this out at home and make sure you let me know how it turns out for you guys. I fried my wings for about 7 minutes there, 7 to 10 minutes. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add those here directly into my sauce. Now I'm just using like a little bit of like a pitchfork, a little pitchfork there, miniature one there, and I'm just tossing these wings up, and I'm just gonna keep mixing until we get all of those coated. Now if at this step you are happy with the crisp level, then you can just end this right here. Go ahead and get those plated, serve them out for your table, for a little game night, anything of that nature. If maybe you're just making a snack for a Friday night. And if you are like me and you want them a little crispier, go ahead and pop those in the oven for about 5 minutes on 350. The crisp is unforgettable, okay? It's going to be bomb, guys. I promise. Pair that up with some blue cheese or ranch, and you're good to go. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments and how your wings turned out. All right. Thanks for coming by.